Why can't they see Sagittarius as the Batman? Why? People, please go and look up about Mithras Cave. Learn about this cave. Learn about your grand body. Sagittarius is Batman. You find Batman and Catwoman in the Tale of Mithras Cave. Likewise, because we all go through the house of Sagittarius, we're all technically Batman or Batwoman. And this is where the vampire story comes from, friends. Just so you know, it's all astrology. All astrology, all the divine, wonderful stories. Yes, many have taken these and screwed them up